Hi guys, on the last leg now. Hopefully the glue's all dried. Yeah, I've done all that, so we're on the last page. Let's get rid of me clamps. Right, this one goes through there and through here. Right, and I've done this out of order. I'm hoping I'll still be able to get it to go in place. Yeah, there's enough flex there. That is the right way up as well. Yeah. Got to line up so they go in as little slots just there. Yeah, that holds them in position there. And these goes in there. Well, I don't see any mention of this, but I would have thought one of them had to go on there as a spacer. Seems to be all right without it. Why have I got 2 of these left over? They probably could have gone in there to space that out a bit further. Cool. Yeah, I think those are supposed to go in there. And those shouldn't spin freely on there, surely. Those spin. Those spin. That one's a good tight fit. Those are loose. Could always melt that a little bit to stop them sliding off. But I'll stick that one on there for now. The double-sided sticky didn't last long. That's come loose. Works. I'll see if I can jam the steering over to one side. That steering really isn't very tight. But it does work. It's very tempting to put some radio control on it. It won't be very exciting, but it would be interesting to be able to steer it remotely and start it and stop it and make it go forwards and backwards. So I might do that. Might do one more episode, put some radio control gear on it, servo, receiver, ESC for the motor. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to
related playlists. Thanks again.